Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by listening to the song and mapping emotional peaks precisely. Focus on moments at 0, 15, 0, 42, and 1, 10 for main changes. Count beats and mark each transient for later alignment. Watch Moon's videos for motif repetition and framing consistency to emulate. Note how camera angles return to close-ups on important lyrics. Keep pacing crisp by targeting clip lengths between 1 and 3 seconds. Use 24 FPS timeline to match cinematic timing and maintain visual rhythm across the edit. Set up a timeline with 24 FPS and ripple audio on a separate track. Align cuts to transient beats and keep an average shot length near 1.5 seconds. Use 3 primary cut types: beat cuts, match cuts, and rhythmic jump cuts for emphasis. Apply L cuts to let audio lead into the next visual whenever a vocal sustain occurs. Trim frames by 5 to 10 frames to tighten momentum without losing context. Preview at 1.5x playback speed and adjust to maintain musicality and drive. Begin color grading with a teal-orange base and boost midtones by 8 units. Warm skin tones subtly while keeping shadows slightly cool for contrast. Add film grain at about 12% to give texture and sharpen with a 10% radius for clarity. Use 3.5-degree tilts and slow push zooms of 0.5 seconds to emphasize key phrases. Employ soft light overlays on chorus hits and lower opacity to 20% for blend. Render with H.264 at a 16:9 aspect ratio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.